What's up YouTube? It's your boy Anthony here, back at another video. So in this video it's gonna be going to a shop, a exhaust shop, to install some O2 sensor bungs. So hopefully get those lights fixed. And yeah, let's get to it.
It's a little bit rainy today, so you got to be a little bit careful.
I want to end up in the wild and crash.
Looks like a good day to swing it though.
It really does. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Anthony here. So I thought I had the O2 sensors in the back of my trunk. Apparently they weren't there. I'm not sure where they're at exactly. I'm guessing one of them are in my toolbox because I found one. So right now that I installed the two sensor bunks, nothing's plugged in there, so it's just kind of loud, but it sounds kind of nice actually. Yeah, it sounds pretty nice. Set off that car alarm over there, but sounds pretty nice. Very nice. Maybe it's a little bit too loud, but just for that moment, you know. No worries. So yeah, be back with you shortly. What's up guys? So as you can see, it's raining right now. It's in LA, so this is when you get that rainy, but fuck, of all days I had to be today. Right when I was gonna go put the O2 sensors onto the X-pipe, see how it reacts and everything, but I guess not. It's starting to fucking rain, so I'll see what happens. Hopefully if it gets worse, I'll just do it tomorrow, or if it stays like this, like sprinkling, I'll probably just move the car a little bit more back, since I do have like a little bit of a roof or whatever you want to say it, a tarp over that, so it doesn't get really rainy, so I can move the car back there and do it a little bit. But if it gets worse, starts pouring, I'll see you tomorrow or later on tonight if it stops raining. But yeah, what's up guys? So right now we're under the 3-rod, the Mustang, and I just finished go ahead and putting on the O2 sensors right now. Just it's aftermarket, the X-pipe that I have on the car. You can see it very good, but it's nighttime. But anyways, these don't reach all the way over here to the box that they're supposed to connect to, so I'm gonna have to try to reroute this somewhere over here, zip tie it somewhere around here. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'll be back when something's happening. What's up guys? So I'm back. I got this part off. This part was here before, but I just cut off the plastic part since the back wouldn't really fit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and probably just put it right there, or if I can find it in a better place, put it, zip tie it, and then zip tie the O2 sensors more better, so they won't be hanging dangling all around here. So let's get to it. Hope everything comes out good. Let you know. What's up guys? So I finished rearranging the O2 sensor wiring and the connection, this one that was over there. So I just decided to zip tie it over here, make sure everything's placed, nothing's moving around, so I don't see these wires hanging off the floor or anything close to it. So not bad for a cheap job, I guess, or whatever. We feel the zip ties. Fuck it though, should work though. And we'll see how it starts running. What's up guys? We're back in the car. So after putting in the new O2 sensors and relocating the connector just so they reach, all I'm gonna do is just retune the car. Hopefully it runs a little bit smoother and better, but unfortunately I'm not gonna drive it because I'm gonna spend time with my daughter right now. But I will let you know how it runs and how's it doing, you know. In the next video I'll let you guys know, stay posted. And yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you like, comment on the video, and yeah, hopefully you guys have a great night. Thank you.